Morning, folks. Jeff from RV Diagnostics. It's November the 16th, 2022. I don't know, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock in the morning. We're going to go over some preventive maintenance stuff. It's been about 2 years since I peeked behind here. I call it the peek behind because by the time you find a leak, it's done did its damage. Well, I did one video on how to adjust this shower, right? Remember that just went in right there, the magnet pulled it in. It's nice, it ain't rubbing. It's on a tilt so it closes automatic. What I'm talking about is the fixtures. All right, they might be leaking behind. They might be coming through here, around here, because there's a gasket back in there, and the same in here. Rare will it leak from up in there, but you never know, you know. What's the motto? Let's test, not guess. Let's go. Let's go into the bedroom back here. Most of you have a closet or something of that nature behind your shower. See, this is the shower. Here's the bedroom shower wall for the surround sound. So here's mine. I've already took out, notice there's a box right here. This is cedar, so the little mothies stay out. So I took out all the screws already. All right there. They were brass Phillips screws. Now I'm putting on pause. I'm going to pull this off. Yeah, usually they pop off. Hold on. All right, so we're doing pretty good. It's all brass, right? There's your tubing, flex packs, 1/2 inch. It's tight, nothing's leaking, right? I put, even though I don't see water stains, I put my hand on here. I feel it. So once again, I usually do this once a year, but it's been about 2 years. Everything looks good. That's a dog barking in the background. Okay. This is your hot and cold coming in. This is the back of the shower, the fiberglass. This is going to your shower head, okay? This is the mixing valve, right? You could probably take something off of there if you want to add something like a... Oh, hold on, what is it? Huh? What is it, a puppy out there? We're still up at Lum's Pond. Just to let you know, a little preventive maintenance. Yeah. Yep, there you go. A little puppy out there. All right. So it wasn't nothing fancy. It's a short video. Thank you very much. Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Remember, catch it before it becomes a problem. Preventive maintenance. Like I said, I slacked a little bit. Been about 2 years since I checked that right there. But she's tight and all, right? I like these better than the PEX tubings because they are tight. That's the flare it connections. I'm lucky enough to have a manifold outside where I can shut all this off. I can shut like the shower off and keep using hot water and cold water throughout the coach, but some of you don't. So when you get this, you might want to put a valve, cold and hot shut-off valve right here, right? Quarter turn. All right, that'll isolate this and you can fix it. Hold on, she's acting up. All right, back with you. That's it, folks. Real quick check there. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics.